can see all of this light up in like 5 times already.
Let's put it on hit like this. Outside. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, I got it. Oh yeah, I got it.
Oh. Come on, let's go to the back foot.
This shit's sexy. On the back porch. Woo, that's some good shit. All the niggas skate up there.
You have to run around naked. You got a few of them, huh?
Oh yeah.
How's your day going here?
Ooh,
Oh, yeah.
oh damn.
You know, if lightning hits over there, right? We're gonna get.
Oh, fuck.
I mean, that doesn't happen to us bad, but we're gonna feel a little electrocuted. Like, you guys that might come up to eat.
You know Boogie that is fucking the reservoir?
What?
You remember that shit? You Boogie in the water at the reservoir? And it hit the water and y'all just got a little shock real quick?
Oh, we're calling a slight thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
It hit way down there, and by the time it came, it was like a little. Yeah. Oh no, that's gonna be 100 times more fucking whatever out of the water. That shit hits over there. But I mean, I'm nervous. I get worried as whatever, but it's something you can do. And if something hits over there, it's gonna hit over there, and if too much in, it's gonna cut back and go somewhere else. It's not like it's gonna hit there and hit you direct.
Yeah, I know.
I was idiot when motherfuckers put staying in the rain is wrong. What do people do in the rain? So, oh, it's raining. They're outside. What they do, they run under a tree not to get wet, but they're not thinking of the lightning. Oh,
Yeah, I know.
yeah.
That shit's right there.
That's like a mile away. Quarter mile.
Yeah, quarter mile.
Yo, your mom's here. Your mom's here driving with Tom. Did your mom tell you she was in the hallway like there? Like right there, and over there in Salem, the lightning hit right here. She was at the doorway in the hall. It hit. She was in the hallway and it hit outside, direct on the tree outside.
Huh.
And I'm like, Missy. I'm like, what the fuck? I hanged out when I went and walked to the door to look out. Missy was running in the door. She ran for the Asian store.
Damn.
She sprinted like 5 seconds. She dropped everything and ran. She was on the phone.
I think I'm pissed. Ooh.
The worst place to be is on the phone, on a regular phone, in the house. That's the only time people get shot.
Woo!
I don't see it like it ain't lighting up in there though.
Oh,
Shit, it's like it's from crack.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
There is a crack in my phone.
No, but it looks like it's cracking, like when the light's like I'll be honest, I get horny. Yo, if you was at the beach right now, you know what time about you wearing? I swear to God, no lie. Now you see that lightning's way up there, right?
Yeah.
Now at the beach, for some reason the cloud comes down. I swear to God, picture there's clouds up there, but you can't see them over there. When you're at the beach, there's lightning storm, so the water comes down and the clouds moving. I swear to you, the cloud looks like it's on the 3rd floor. And every time it lights up, you see like 100 little veins of lightning. And you think it's like this. You walk and you're doing this because you think it's right here. And it's basically over the water, but it's way over there over the water. But it looks like right there. It's fucking awesome.